All right, hey guys, I know this is super frustrating that this keeps happening with Schoology every day. So far, I've only been sending you the Google Doc to where they can only view it. I will start sending the one where they can edit the doc, but it's super important that if you can help me out by showing your child how to make a copy of this doc. Otherwise, they're all gonna keep typing on the same one. So I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick, just in case you don't know how. So when they open up the doc, before they should start typing on it, if you will come up and hit File, and then hit Make a Copy, and then if they could just put their name, so I would put like Miranda, and then hit OK, and then that is going to make them their very own copy, so they are not typing on everybody else's. I will send them this video too. And then at the end of the day, if they just typed on this one, they can come up here and hit share. And then they can just type in my name and then just email it to me. So that is if you're just done with Schoology, which I totally get. You are welcome to go ahead and please make a copy, and then you can share it with me at the end of the day. Again, so sorry for all this frustrating stuff going on with Schoology. I wish I could fix it. But for right now, this is the best we have got. So let me know if there's anything else I can do to help.